I've got the footprint frog in the vise here. I've just put a little bit of wood in there to stop it tipping. These edges are very, very sharp. They're razor sharp. Very flat. They've been milled. Milled, not planed. I said planed, but they're not. They're milled. Just going to do a little bit of work. Just get these sharp corners off. And this chip where it's cracked. It's not going to help. Don't have to do anything, but when you take it off to clean it, you're going to get it in your finger. In your palm of your hand somewhere, maybe. It doesn't take much. Don't plane these flat, the tops. Leave that alone. It doesn't take much. Get a nice file. Still sharp. Get a little metalwork vise. I've got a woodwork vise there as well. I use them both. Both get used. Used for metal and wood. Doesn't matter. That is pretty bad there. I do this to the Stanleys as well. I do it to all my planes. Just get these sharp edges off. Don't touch these. I know I've done it there, but it's fine. If you go OCD, you can scrape these to fit. Huh? Still sharp there, that lateral adjustment lever, and it's tight as hell. Need some lube. Right.